Hi, Caleb Petet, Superintendent of Marshall Public Schools, coming to you from the beautiful Marshall Intermediate School. And in this video, we want to show you what drop-off looks like for Spainhower and the new intermediate school, or in some cases, both. As you've seen in the video, the Spainhower car rider drop-off has not changed. One new addition is as I stand here in what will be a beautiful crosswalk on the first day of school, at the crosswalk between the Spainhower crossover bridge, as it's been called, and the new school. This is where a parent who just dropped off their youngest children at Spainhower can pause on their way out of the campus and let their MIS kids exit the car on the MIS side of the car. Hello parents and community, this is Caleb Petet standing here at Lincoln and Slater Street. If you are a parent of a child going to SPS, Spainhower Primary, this is where you will enter to drop off your kids. You enter this location, again, if you have a Spainhower student and a Marshall Intermediate School, or just Spainhower, this will be a familiar sight to you. You turn off of Lincoln Street onto Slater, and when you leave this location, it is a straight or right-hand turn only, and we'll show you the line. If you approach from the correct direction and leave with no left-hand turns, we expect this traffic to flow smoothly and for our two traffic lines to stay separate from one another.